You want to learn about the API testing. You know, API testing is super important for freshers, non-IT people who want to move to QA, manual testers, automation tester. But you are not confident which topics you have to learn, right? You don't know how exactly you have to start your journey towards the APIs, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the API testing, especially with Postman, a proper roadmap, right? So even when I was learning, right, when I started with the APIs, right, I didn't know which topic I have to follow. I have no idea what I have to follow for week 1, week 2, week 3, right? What are the different topics or projects that I have to do, right? All this information we are going to discuss in this video. If you want to start your journey towards the API testing, I think this roadmap is only that you need to start your API testing journey. All right, so let's jump into it and let's see what are the different topics that you should know. And in the end, I'm going to give you a 200 plus interview question and answers free of cost. Download link I will share you in the end. All right, or it is present in the description. Let's get started with the API testing roadmap, especially with the Postman. All right, let's discuss about the topics, right? See, first important thing is I have divided them into a basic, medium and advanced level, right? Why it is important? Because whenever we are starting API testing, right, one of the mistakes that most of the people make is that they generally have no idea about the topics. They don't know what exactly they have to know before even starting out the API testing, right? You know, I'm using Postman for almost like 7 or 8 plus years, right? So I know which fundamentals are needed even before starting the API testing, right? But what people generally make a mistake is that they generally start with API testing. Okay, they learn about the REST and the different HTTP method and done. They have no idea about headers, cookies, meme types, application JSON, what exactly these things, right? Basic stuff they are lacking. So start with the basics. The first one is the HTTP fundamentals. You have to know about the hypertext transfer protocol. You have to know the underlying architecture also. HTTP headers, cookie, meme types, client server technology, which is the super important thing that you have to know, as well as the 3-layer web architecture also that you have to know, which is UI layer, business layer and database layer. These things also. Then it is all about the HTTP different methods like get, post, put, patch, delete, options and add. These things you have to do, right? Another important thing is people forget in basics about the Chrome dev tools, how to basically see which API request is getting done in the network tab. You guys don't have any idea about it. This is where you are lacking actually. Why you're not able to learn about the API testing is because you lack these basics. So make sure you include those basics into this. Learn about the Chrome dev tools, how to intercept your queries and other things into it, right? So that's what that was about the basic task. Here, different type of web services like SOAP, REST and RPC. Now GraphQL is also present. So in the Postman, how to do that, those requests. Now you have to start learning about those concepts, right? See, Postman is all about before making the request and test cases, right? You can learn about all these concepts. After that, in advance, if you see, right, you have Postman scripts. Postman scripts are also divided into basics and advanced. Basic scripts are, for example, you are adding a test cases like status code, time, duration, basics, right? Where advanced is like complex JSON schema validation, parsing your JSON by using JavaScript, right? Learning JavaScript, API chaining, passing data-driven testing, all these concepts you have to keep on adding it, right? You have to know how to properly report into it, right? So that's a roadmap. That's exactly the topic that I'm giving you, what exactly you have to learn, right? Now, how you will learn it, in the end, I'm going to discuss how you can go through them, but you have to know these things. People actually don't know about that. In the Postman also you can parse HTML by using Cheerio library. There is an assertion library available which is chai.js, and learning JavaScript is also helpful for you because whenever you have a responses, right, you have to parse them by using maps, filters, promises and advanced test cases that we have seen, right? Now Newman, you have to learn Newman report, HTML extra. Those are important things that you have, like learning resources. Now from where you will start learning, this is where it is important, right? 30 days of Postman, I think this is where you can start directly, right? 30 days of Postman challenge I have basically done, right? And also I'm coming with the manual testing batch also, where I'm covering API testing with Postman extensively with 4 plus live projects. So if you go to the sdet.live/manual, right, it's a new batch where I'm starting It's an almost like third batch that I have started, right? It's a February batch where we are covering API testing with Postman extensively with the live projects. Manual testing is also a part of it because it's for the people who are freshers, the people from the non-IT background, or even if you're a manual tester, you lack in the live projects, right? This is where will be helpful for you. Last batches, I got amazing reviews that the content is amazing, live projects are amazing, right? Because those projects people are able to add it to their resume also. That's where it was helpful for them, right? So do check it out, sdet.live/manual, and 30 days of Postman is also available, right? So you can follow along for like 1 hour per day, 30 videos, cover them as soon as possible. This will cover basic, advanced, and the live projects also. Okay, talk about the super important thing, which is projects. What are the different projects that you have to do with the Postman specifically, right? I would request you RESTful Booker. It's a free open source app, right? I will share the link. GitHub APIs you can try out. Advanced test cases, which I generally recommend. This will be available in the Q&A section also. CI/CD. Run your Postman collection on Jenkins. That's the super important thing. When you run your test cases, right? For example, suppose I have 100 plus test cases that I have written, right? Those 100 test cases, when I try to run by Newman into the Jenkins, right? And when I see the report, then you have a more confidence that, okay, yes, now I have started learning about the API testing. This is where the super important thing. So that's the correct roadmap. So correct roadmap is learn about the fundamentals, which is HTTP fundamentals, then learn about the concepts of Postman, which are basically API monitoring, collections, API chaining, basic test cases, prerequisite, post, and environment variables, different variables that they have, right? Those things. And the third one, which is advanced one, where you will be running those test cases into by using the Newman, Jenkins, right? Adding API chaining, data driven testing. Those things are third part. 3 levels I have divided into this roadmap is divided into level 3, basic, medium, and advanced, right? So now bonus tip is super important, right? So I have created a 200 plus interview question and answer for Postman, specifically for API testing with Postman, right? You can download them. The link is in the description, as well as this is the link, which is sdet.live/cchx, right? It's a PDF. You can download it. And please, if you think interview question and answer is helpful, right, just say thanks in the comment. I mean, this is one I deserve, right? Yes. And another interview preparation, like how will you prepare interview? I think mock interviews, you can watch lots of mock interviews are available for Postman. You can watch them, or you can use ChatGPT also. I think open up ChatGPT and ask the question, right? What are the top questions for Postman, right? Go through them and you will have a list of good questions that you can basically start preparing, right? So this is overall a roadmap, which I think it will be helpful for you. I want to learn API testing quickly, especially with Postman, as well as I want to learn about I want to refresh my manual testing skills also with the live projects, because I'm concerned about the live projects mostly, right? Then I would request you if you can join the sdet.live/manual course that we are basically going to launch, right? All right. Thanks a lot for joining in. I hope this roadmap is helpful. This mind map will be available in the description. You can download, right? Thanks a lot. And let's become an API tester. Let's become a manual tester. I mean, refresh your skills, and that's what we are going to do, right? Thanks a lot. If you're an existing subscriber, thanks a lot for joining in. If you're new, consider subscribing. I create videos around the software testing and test automation. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.